at Umkar Living Room Bridge. It's just next to me. I hope you can see it. One living room bridge. Just heard from the local, they said that there are 2 living room bridges in this village, so I just think that I'm gonna go and have a peek at the other one also. Let's go together. Let's go.
Bari, or Mari Urho.
So guys, now we are on our way to another living room bridge. So one of the locals says that it will take us around 30 minutes, maybe 40 minutes till we reach Umunoi living room bridge. So we have to trek down all the way down for 30 minutes. See you there. So guys, we have to go deep inside the forest. Have a look. This place looks so nice. So guys, finally we are here after 35 minutes of walking. I'm really tired right now. She just wanted to dip her feet in the water. I think, can you see her? She's standing right there. And that's what I just want to show you. Let's have a closer look on this one too.
So many birds chirping in this area. That's a good sign for the nature that no one disturbs these birds in this place.
Nah. So this is the second living room bridge for the day, and it is called Umunoi Living Room Bridge. And when compared the two of it, I mean the first one and second one, the first one is much longer in length as compared to this one, but this one seems much stronger than the first one. I think that's it for today. We have to head back home now with this little kid, and we have to walk back maybe for 1 hour, 1.5 hours back home. So it's going to be again the long day for us. We are going to be tired for sure. And thank you for watching my video again. I hope I'll see you on my next vlog. Thank you.